How to change the song on an Instagram post. This tutorial shows you how to swap out the music without deleting and reposting the whole thing. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom right to open your profile. After that, go to the specific post with the song you want to change. At this point, tap the three dots at the top right of the post. Following this, tap Edit. From here, tap on the existing song attached to the post. At this stage, browse or search through Instagram's music library to pick a new song. Following this, select the one you want to replace it with. From here, tap Save to apply the change. Once saved, the post will update with the new song, and anyone viewing it going forward will hear the updated track instead of the original. That's how you change the song on an Instagram post. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!